2 minutes. Thank you, guys. Ayun na, magpapaalam na ako. Good night na tayo. Need to say good night, everybody. I love you very much and thank you for the support. Ladies, see you. Yeah, see you tomorrow. Thank you for the support and sending blessings. I hope you will not end to help my channel. Good night. I hope you will not give up to help my channel. Thank you so much for coming, the Silent Travelers, Mustafa and Yes Rocker. Where are you? You didn't come today. Me to all that dancing has me tired, Charot. I feel hot. I try to dance because I want to burn my fat. I have big fat in my tummy. So William, thank you so much. To all there, they give me likes and share and staying in my live streaming and listening and watching. Thank you so much. Especially for Mama Gem Team and Blue Shy and Filipino Joyce and Mommy Love. I thank you so much to all of you. I'm lucky that I found these people to them and they are supporting me also. So guys, God bless you. God bless you more than you give to us. Thank you very much and have a blessed New Year and good night. Take care always. Yeah, take care always, all of us. Thank you. And live na tayo. Ano ba to? The Silent Travelers. You and Mustafa take care at work and eat and drink. Drink coffee. Not eggnog, ha? The Silent Travelers, don't eat lots of eggnog. I mean, don't drink lots of eggnog. God bless you. Bye. I love you. I'll give you lots of kisses. Ay, okay. Don't drink lots of eggnog because it's not good to drink lots of eggnog. Charot. Sana all. So, natatawa tuloy sa Mustafa. Eggnog makes you, when you are alone, it's not good, the eggnog. See me, sometimes only I'm drinking because I don't have eggnog always. I want eggnog also. The Silent Travelers, I want eggnog. I want to drink eggnog before I sleep. I don't know now. I'm thinking where I will find the eggnog. You give me now, the Silent and Mustafa, you give me now a problem. Because now I feel I want to drink also eggnog, but I don't have. So what I will do now? Oh, charot. Charot. Tintang.